Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're working in this old 94 Escape. It needs a new rear wiper arm assembly. This one's actually broken, so we got the new part on the bench, and we're gonna swap them out. Okay, the first step you want to do is remove this cover. It just pulls like this. It's got these two little bar retainers that keep it held in place. Then we're gonna want to remove that nut. Looks like it's a 13 millimeter. You can try to remove it with your hand and see if it's under. Oh, yeah, this one came right out. So if you get in here closer and you look at this stud here, it's real corroded really bad. So I'm gonna clean that up with a wire brush. Alright, so the reason why we're changing this wiper blade is because you see this plastic here, it's actually cracked where that brass insert is. So because of that, we're going to be changing it today. So the first step is to do a parts comparison and make sure that they look right, like it's the correct part, and this one it does. Make sure that the wiper is the same length and it looks correct. So I'm going to go ahead and start assembling this onto here. It just sits in here like this. I'm going to press it in, it should click just like that. And then remove this protective sleeve. I'll go ahead and set this thing in place. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on it because it looks like there was from the factory, so I'm gonna put a little blue Loctite. There we go. That's all it is to changing a wiper in your 094 Escape. Good luck.